Hey guys, are you having trouble watching YouTube videos on your phone? Are you seeing the error message something went wrong? Tap to retry. Don't worry, I'll got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the step by step how to fix this annoying issue and get back to enjoying your favorite videos. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to find out how to quickly solve this problem. So without any further delay, let's get started. To get started, we simply have to open up our phone settings. Then you have to turn on the airplane mode. For this purpose, you have to go to network and there you can see the option of airplane mode. You simply have to turn this on. Wait 10 to 20 seconds and then disable it, because one of the main reasons why this error occurs is because of your network connection. After that, if you are using Wi-Fi to watch YouTube videos, open up the Wi-Fi settings, and once you are on the Wi-Fi setting page, you simply have to click on the settings bar icon right next to your Wi-Fi name, and from here you simply have to forget this network. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network again. And if you are using the mobile data to watch all of your videos, then you have to make sure that you have enabled 4G or 5G. Also make sure the low data mode is turned off. So now what you want to do next is go back to YouTube app and see whether your issue has been fixed or not. So if you are still encountering this issue, then if you are using any of the VPN services, disconnect from them and see if that issue has been fixed or not. If you are still facing this issue, you simply have to reset your network settings and hopefully your issue will be fixed. One final thing that you could do is to make sure that you are using the latest version of the YouTube app. For this purpose, you have to go to Google Play Store and in the search bar you have to search for YouTube. So if it says open right next to the YouTube, it means that you are using the latest version. Otherwise, if it says update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible. Updating your app will fix these kind of annoying issues with the app. But if all of these solutions didn't fix your issue, then you can open any of the browser and go to youtube.com and you can watch your YouTube videos in the web browser. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with the bell icon. Thank you for watching.